The P0031 code means there's a low voltage issue in the heater control circuit of your upstream oxygen sensor, also known as HO2S. This sensor is located in Bank 1, Sensor 1, which is typically on the side of the engine with cylinder 1 before the catalytic converter. The heater warms the sensor for accurate emissions monitoring and fuel efficiency. A low voltage means it's not getting enough power, typically below 10 to 14 volts from the engine control module or ECM. The heated oxygen sensor, or HO2S, plays a critical role in engine management. It measures oxygen levels in exhaust gases, providing essential feedback to the engine control module. This data helps the ECM precisely adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. A key component of the HO2S is its heater circuit. This internal heating element rapidly warms the sensor to its operating temperature of 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, or 315 to 427 degrees Celsius. This is especially important during cold starts, when the sensor needs to reach operating temperature quickly for accurate readings. If the heater circuit fails, the sensor warms up slowly. This delay can cause inaccurate readings, leading to poor combustion, increased emissions, and drivability issues like rough idle or reduced performance. The heater circuit is therefore crucial for maintaining efficient engine operation. Several issues can trigger the P0031 code. The most common include a faulty oxygen sensor heater, corroded or damaged wiring, a blown fuse in the heater circuit, issues with the ECM, or a bad relay. Also, aftermarket modifications can sometimes cause the code to appear. Start diagnosis with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P031 code. Next, visually inspect the wiring and connectors for damage. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the sensor connector pins 2 and 4 and heater resistance of 2 to 4 ohms. Check the fuse for the HO2S heater. Oscilloscope testing provides more accurate diagnosis than basic scans. Sometimes, the fix is simple. Start by thoroughly inspecting the sensor's electrical connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Clean the connectors with electrical contact cleaner. Ensure they are securely reattached. This can resolve intermittent codes caused by poor contact. If the sensor heater is faulty, confirmed through resistance testing with a multimeter, proceed with replacement. Use OEM parts when possible to avoid warranty issues and ensure proper compatibility with your vehicle. Always disconnect the battery before starting the replacement to prevent electrical issues. Carefully unscrew the old oxygen sensor from its position in the exhaust system. Apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the new oxygen sensor to prevent seizing. Install the new sensor and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque specification for proper sealing. When checking wiring for P0031, start by inspecting for damage. Corroded or broken wires can create shorts or open circuits that trigger the code. Consult a wiring diagram to trace the heater circuit and locate any damaged sections. This helps pinpoint exactly where the problem occurs. For repairs, splice in new wires and protect the connections with heat shrink tubing to prevent future issues. A corroded wiring harness, often due to moisture exposure, is a frequent cause of the P0031 code. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to clear the P031 code, it's time to seek help from a professional mechanic. Complex electrical problems or issues with the engine control module require specialized diagnostic equipment and expert knowledge that goes beyond typical DIY repairs. Advanced diagnostic tools, such as professional scanners or oscilloscopes, can pinpoint intricate circuit faults that a basic code reader might miss. These tools provide detailed readings of voltage, resistance, and signal patterns. Electrical issues in the oxygen sensor heater circuit or problems with the ECM can stem from wiring harness damage, connector corrosion, or module failures. Professional inspection ensures accurate diagnosis without risking further damage to the vehicle's systems. Failing to address the P0031 code promptly can result in higher vehicle emissions, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential long-term engine damage. Professional repair prevents these issues and ensures your vehicle meets environmental standards.